Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to fix a Facebook unsupported browser even though Chrome is already installed. So, if you ever encounter this, there are multiple ways to solve this issue. The first one is you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here, go ahead and go to the settings down below. Now, over here on the settings tab, you can just simply go ahead and go to the privacy and security on the left side of the screen. And right over here, you will have an option, delete browsing data. So guys, the most important thing that you should do over here is these two, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. So guys, by deleting this data, it will fix the issue and make sure it is on all time. So from here, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another option that you could try is you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have an option down below, help. Now, over here on the help tab, you will have about Google Chrome, and when there is any update, you should be able to see it over here, guys. And for this solution, it's just making sure that you have the latest version of the Chrome, because sometimes outdated version of the Chrome can cause some issues. So sometimes a simple update can mostly fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.